Hello everyone. So today we are solving another question of JEE ADV 2015 from the topic of thermodynamics. So let's read the question. So they're given a container with a fixed volume of which has a mixture of 1 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of helium in equilibrium at a temperature T, assuming the gas as are ideal. The correct statements is are. Okay, so basically we have to tell which of the options are correct. So let's read option 1. It says what is the average energy per mole of the gas mixture. So how do we determine the average energy? We know that energy of any kind of ideal gas is can be given by ncv into t, ncvt at a time. And what is cv? It is nothing but degree of freedom divided by 2. Okay, so but here since it's a mixture of gases, so how do we determine the exact degree of freedom? We calculated using this formula. Let me write. So f equivalent should be equal to n. Look, cv is exactly equal to degree of freedom times the r. Okay, this is the exact formula of cv. So how do we determine F equivalent? We write N1, that is how much mole of first gas, times what is its degree of freedom. So its degree of freedom can be calculated as hydrogen. What is hydrogen? It is nothing but a diatomic. So it has a degree freedom of 5 plus, if we take N2 times the, what is helium? Helium is a monoatomic. So it has a degree of freedom of 3 divided by N1 plus N2, where N1 and N2 both are equal to 1. So 5 plus 3, 8 by 2. So basically degree of freedom has become 4 here. So for their energy will be equal to n times 4 by 2 into r into t. So their equivalent mole is also equal to 1 here. So the net energy that will calculate, it will be equal to 2 RT. Okay, so which I think matches to our option A here. So which says that the option A is correct here. Now moving on to ratio of the speed of sound. So what is the speed of sound in a gaseous mixture or any kind of gas? So it is given by gamma RT by M. Okay, so this is the formula of the speed of sound in the presence of any gas. Now what is gamma? It is nothing but Cp by Cv, and we can calculate it in the terms of degree of freedom as 1 plus 2 by F. Okay, where F is the equivalent degree of freedom. So since we have calculated the equivalent degree of freedom, so we can calculate gamma for our gaseous mixture, also for our helium gas. Okay, so what will be gamma for? Let me draw them separately. Gamma of mixture, this will be equal to 1 plus 2 by 2, sorry, 2 by 4, which is basically 1 plus 1 by 2 or 3 by 2 is the gamma mixture. And what is M of mixture or the average molecular mass? It can be similarly calculated as N1 or 1 mole of hydrogen, which has a molecular mass of 2, plus 1 mole of helium divided by total number of moles, that is 4, 2, 6 or 3. So M will be equal to 3 here. Similarly, if we write gamma for our helium, so what is helium? Helium is a monoatomic. So 1 plus 2 by 3, which will give us 5 by 3. So gamma of helium is equal to 5 by 3 and its molecular mass is equal to 4. So basically we have to take the ratio of their, let me write, speed in mixture by speed in helium will be equal to root under ratio of gamma by M. Okay, so let me write 3 by 2 into 3 into, if we take in the denominator, there should be 5 by 3 and it should be multiplied with 4 here. So 3 gets cancelled by 3 and this 3 goes above. So 2 times. So basically it is coming root under 6 by 5. I think that is also matching to our option B here. So it means option B is correct here. Let me write. Now moving on to option C, the ratio of the RMS speed. Now what is RMS speed? I think everybody knows that the RMS speed or the means average speed, those have a formula of root under 3 RT by M. So we do not have to mind any kind of constants here. So we can simply take the ratio of root under RT by M, or basically root under 1 by M1 into M2. Okay, so this will be the, okay, so they are asking about helium atoms to that of hydrogen atoms. Okay, so what is, okay, so let me write this clearly here. Vrms of He by Vrms of H2 will be equal to root under, H2 has a mass of 2 and helium has a mass of 4, so root under 1 by root 2. So it should come equal to 1 by root 2. Let's see which option is matching. So our option D is matching here and C seems to be incorrect here. It means we have got our final answers of A, B and D. Thank you everyone.